This market reviews of the Marine UH-34D helicopter. It's a 1/48 scale model by Revell, and you can see some pictures of the finished model. And it looks like they're busy picking up a moon lander. Here's another photograph of the finished model. Here are the dimensions. So it looks like it did retrieve the mercury capsules and the colors needed. Let's have a look inside. Here's our canopy, and looks like we've got some molded on windshield wipers. The rest of the windshield glass looks reasonable. This sprue has our main fuselage body with some nice surface detail, although it's got recessed panel lines and raised rivet lines. We do have little bits of molding here and there, mold lines, but otherwise fairly well molded. Some nice detail on the inside. Here we have our bench seats and floor, and then to build the cockpit box. Here we go for our rotors and the tail rotor, and then we have engine housing, wheels, our tail parts, all the wheels parts to build the rotor. All very well molded, nice and clean and crisp. Here are decals. We've got a lot of decals here. Instrument panel. And let's have a look at our instructions here. So first of all, here are the colors needed. And then we start with the cockpit. And we put that inside the fuselage, and the fuselage is glued together. We build the frame around the engine as well as the nose. On the windshield, build the rotors. That's then put onto the fuselage, and then build the tail rotor. Put on the landing gear and the side door that can be opened or closed. Some additional parts going on the fuselage, and then thereafter we have the painting and decal guide, and over here is another version, and the common markings between the two.